Hey guys, so you have bought a new website from GoDaddy and you have hosted your files someplace else. Now, when you try to visit your website using www.yourdomainname.com, you see this website parked for free by GoDaddy page. In this video, we'll see how to fix this. Okay, so you need to ensure that your Cname settings are proper, right? So as you can see, I have a Cname record here with the name www host and the value pointing to my Azure storage. So in order to do this, you need to click on add, select type as Cname, host would be www, and points to would be the URL where you have stored your static files, HTML, CSS files. TTL, you can keep it at half an hour, right? And click on save. So that was the first step. The second step is to scroll down and also add domain forwarding. Okay, so you need to click on add button over here. I have already added my domain forwarding here, but if you click on your add button, it will say you will be able to forward your HTTP or HTTPS traffic to www.yourdomainname.com. That's it. You can test your website after a couple of hours because it takes some time for all these settings to propagate. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.